What's going on, family? This is not financial advice. Do your own research. When it comes to the stocks you choose, man, we're giving out free game for you. Man, I posted this yesterday. Man, this article was published today. Man, I said I was bullish on Chinese stocks, man, after the reopening, and look what I found. Man, if you check this out, U.S. listed Chinese stocks audit dispute. So it mentions China regulator tells auditors to consider preparing for inspection. So they have agreed to cooperate, and this is going to go well with the delisting fears for these China stocks. And as you know today, China stocks did rally, like I said yesterday. I want to show you this in particular. We're gonna scroll down. It mentions Chinese and U.S. regulators, consultations and audit supervision and cooperation are overall going well. The commission says since March, they were going to delist some stocks for failing to adhere to the Holding Foreign Companies Accountable Act passed in 2020. So it mentioned it would allow the SEC to delist Chinese companies from U.S. exchanges if American regulators cannot review company audits for 3 consecutive years. So, as you know, they had these delisting fears on these China stocks, so they were falling. So all my Chinese plays rallied today, and this one I will be buying next week. So I do like the body work on this stock, man. This is a long-term play for me. BYD, man, this looks like a banger. As you can see, it's bouncing directly off that moving average. This is the weekly time frame. They're up 4.45 today. So my NEO ran up. Every Chinese stock that I had did pretty well today, but this one I will be buying next week. I'm looking for them to reach a price range of about $100. That's the all-time high. So this is a stock I will be dollar cost averaging in. Looks like they're at a great price around 57.80. So this is a long-term play for me. So if we can get the Chinese cooperation with the U.S. and all these regulations, man, we're gonna see some green on the screen for these stocks, man. I'm telling you. So we just need to get everybody on the same page, man, so we can create some momentum here, man, because we know this market has been falling excessively. So we're due for some nice bounces on this market, man. So I do want to show you guys my oil. This is oil right now. It went up about 2% on the day, and as you can see, they're bouncing directly off that trend line, man. So bouncing off the trend line a couple times. So I'm looking for a move up sometime this month or next month. I want to show you this because this is a little secret to trading. So this is my time frame. I'm gonna go over here on my time frames. I'm gonna go to, this is the monthly, right? I'm gonna go to the weekly. All right, go to our weekly time frame. All right, we're gonna zoom on in. And let's check this out, man. All right, so let's zoom on in. Man, I don't know where the okay, here we go. Boom. Check this out. See this gap on this chart right here? What price does that say? 200, so a little above 200, around 220 area, right? So as you know, they've been trending down up underneath this moving average for a long time. So look where they are now. You see that? So they're coming up to that 200 mark, and they're gonna fill that gap. So they could be coming up to that moving average, 200 moving average, but I'm just looking for a trade up to the gap. So around 220. This is a UCO. Giving you all a little gem here. You know, this gap has to get filled. Don't know when, but we know it's getting filled. So this is my target. I'm still up in this trade. I just kept buying every time it fell. So got a great price on it. I think my average price is around 140 something. So I'm still up on this trade, and I'm just waiting for it to reach my target. So just a little gem for you guys. This is the UCO oil, the crude oil. So just keep that in mind. This is a little gem for you guys. You can check this one out if you want. It's a swing play for me. Do your own research. This is not financial advice, like I said before, man. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Out.